How to ask questions in English. There are many different ways of asking questions.
What questions are used to ask about things, objects, or actions? Hello, what's your name?
My name's Jane. What's yours? What are you doing tonight? Do you want to go to the movies?
No thanks. I'm going to relax at home tonight. I start work early tomorrow.
I think I'm going to be late. What time is it? Why questions are used to ask about reasons or causes. Why are you late? All the tables are reserved now.
Why did you drive? You know it's difficult to find a parking spot here.
Why did you get sushi? You said you were bringing pizza. Where questions are used to ask about places or locations. You have an accent. Where are you from?
I live in London, but I'm from Birmingham originally.
I need a bottle of water. Where's the nearest supermarket?
Not very far. You can walk there in about 10 minutes.
Where did you go on holiday this summer?
We went to the south of France. It was so relaxing.
When questions are used to ask about time when it is not specific. If you want a precise answer, you should ask what time, what date.
When's your birthday?
My birthday's in September.
When does the film start?
It started already. Hurry up.
When did you arrive?
My train got in 1 hour ago.
Who questions ask about people? Who's your favorite actor or actress?
I don't really have a favorite. Do you know who wrote this article?
I have no idea who wrote it. Why? Is it interesting? Who are you talking to on the phone? I've been trying to call you for ages.
I was talking to Dad. I wanted to know what time he's picking me up.
How questions are used to ask about the manner or process of something. I'm pleased to meet you. How was your flight?
How does this machine work?
It's complicated. You'd better read the instruction manual.
How did you make this? It's delicious.
I followed the recipe that my grandmother gave me years ago. Here are a few tips for asking questions. Be clear and concise when asking questions to avoid confusion.
Use the correct tone to make questions sound natural. For questions that have a yes or no answer, do you like coffee? Do you hear the rising tone? What time is it? Do you hear the falling tone?
Surprise or disbelief. Have you finished already? It's a rising then falling tone.
Mastering intonation will make your questions sound more natural and fluid. Practice with friends, a teacher, or in front of a mirror to build confidence. It helps if you pronounce the words out loud.
Thank you for watching. Keep practicing.